So guys, welcome to my channel. And first you have to come on gigabyte.com, and this is search key. So click to search and type your motherboard model number Z790 AORUS XTREME X ICE, then hit enter. Then click on product. Click off model number of motherboard. Then click to support. You can see there the all the driver and BIOS, all the drivers there. Select your operating system in Windows 10 and 11. If you are different using, so no worry, you can follow this video and you can install it. Okay, select like that Windows 11. Bluetooth driver. So Bluetooth, click to download. Then guys, this is install and open the Bluetooth. Then click to yes. So this is installing. You can see the Intel Bluetooth driver. Then closed.